Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 30XE 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone for Metro by T-Mobile. This is a new budget phone for Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now as of February 25th. So yeah, this is an update over the TCL 20XE, which Metro also still offers. So yeah. It kind of looks like the TCL 20XE, in my opinion. It kind of looks like that, except for it has like newer specs and stuff like that. So there it is right there. TCL 30XE 5G, engage, interact, captivate. So quick specs on the phone. You guys have 5G, of course. That's like the main selling point of the phone. 6.52 inch display, 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. Alright. And there's a phone right there. It's free when you guys switch to Metro. So if you guys want a free phone, switch to Metro, and you guys can get the TCL 30XE for free. The full retail price is $199.99. So not too bad there. So this is a budget phone. So yeah, specs in here are decent. This is a budget phone. So yeah. So we're going to take a look around the phone here. So on the front of the phone, you guys have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera. A piece above that. Do you like the clock widget there? Pretty sweet. Wallpaper is very nice as well. You guys have a I think your power button volume key is on the right side of the phone. Yep, right here. Your power button volume key is there on the right side. Then we'll take it to the back of the TCL 30 here. On the back of the TCL 30 is your triple camera setup along with your camera flash. I don't know what it says there in the little box there. But anyways, you guys do get fingerprint sensor, TCL logo, and whatnot. It says it's available in black. I think it looks very nice in black. I think it looks very nice. Your micro SD and SIM card size on the left, but it's at the bottom of the left side, which is kind of an interesting place for it. But nonetheless, there it is. Your SIM card and micro SD card slot is on the left, but it's towards the bottom, which is an odd place to put it. But they had to put it somewhere. So on the top of the TCL 30, y'all guys have a headphone jack and I think a noise cancellation microphone. So that's very nice to say headphone jack on the phone nowadays, because nowadays a lot of phones don't have headphone jack, so that's great to see one on this phone. On the bottom of the TCL 30 is your Type-C charging port. Speakers. I think one of them is your speaker and one of them is your microphone. So it's not dual speakers. So yeah. So it says here be captivated by the TCL 30XE 5G with the engaging 6.52 inch HD plus display and 90 Hz refresh rate. Powered by Next Vision, your favorite content will be more fluid and immersive. Feel the enhanced responsiveness of 180 Hz touch sampling and games and interactive apps. Do even more with 5G connectivity, a 2.2 GHz processor, and a powerful 4500 mAh battery for pinnacle performance that lasts throughout the day. Download more apps and take more photos and videos with the expandable 64 GB of internal storage. Document your life with the 13 megapixel AI powered triple camera and stun friends and family and video calls with an 8 megapixel front facing camera. So pretty good specs. I think it has the same specs as the TCL 20XE. I think it has like the similar specs of that. If you guys want to check out my video on the TCL 20XE, I will have a link to that down below if you guys want to check that out, and you guys can compare the two phones. So yeah, this is a budget phone. Like I said, so you did get what you pay for here. 6.52 inch display, which is an HD plus display, 90 Hz refresh rate, which is very nice. It's becoming normal now on the budget phones like this. You're getting a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's better than 60 Hz, so you guys will feel a bit more responsiveness with that. 4500 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging, 13 megapixel AI powered triple camera system with 8 megapixel front camera, 64 gigabytes of expandable storage, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So not a bad spec sheet. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so the spec sheet on here are really good. So there you go. So it says right there, take home the TCL 30XE 5G for free when you switch. In stores only. Of course, you guys have to get to a Metro store to get this deal here. So if you guys are looking to get a new phone, switch to Metro, and you guys get the TCL 30XE for free. It says get more 5G coverage with the power of the T-Mobile network. So yeah, it used to have like more features about the phone, but it's not showing anything else. So we'll just go down to the spec sheet here. Okay, let me try to refresh the page again. I've already refreshed the page like 5 times before I actually recorded this video here. Like whoever did this on the Metro website, who's ever in charge of like the website stuff for Metro, y'all need to like check y'all shit before y'all actually release it out to everybody, because people are gonna want to know what the specs are of the phone. So you not having the specs, then I mean, what the hell you doing? Okay, they got the accessories page on here. So as far as I know, y'all guys get 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 6.52 inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel triple camera. You do get micro SD cards up to I think 512 gigabytes. You get hotspot. I'm gonna say it has Android 12 on it. I'm gonna say that. Processor, it's an octa-core processor. The weight, I have no idea how much the phone weighs. If I can get like the official specs from the TCL website, I will try to have them linked down below, so y'all guys can get the full specs on this phone. Because obviously Metro didn't put them in there right now. They might put them in there later, but as of this video recording, the specs are not listed on the Metro site for some fucking reason. I don't know who's in charge of this shit at Metro, but they should get fired, and they should be ashamed of themselves, because you know people are gonna want to check this phone out and see what this phone has to offer in terms of features and specs. So I don't know who's in charge of that shit at Metro, but get your shit together. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find the link. I'm gonna try to find the links to the specs from the TCL official website. I'm gonna try to find links to that. So check out the description box for that. So yeah, I mean the phone looks very nice in my opinion. It looks like the TCL 20XE from several months ago, which Metro still offers that phone. So if you guys have the TCL 20XE, I would not upgrade to this phone. I would not upgrade it because it's basically the same phone, except for it has newer hardware a little bit. I think the only thing that has different, that has the newer version of Android, I think, because I think this one has Android 12 on it, I think. But it doesn't say what Android version it has, because Metro doesn't have the specs I've listed out for some goddamn reason. So yeah, from what I can see, the spec sheet is pretty decent. This is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. The phone looks very nice. It looks like the TCL 20XE. So if you guys have the TCL 20XE, guys, I would not upgrade this phone. I would not, because it's pretty much the same phone, except for this one has, I think, Android 12 on it, I think. So yeah. So with that being said, there you guys have it. The TCL 30XE is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for free when you guys switch to Metro, or it's $199.99 for retail price, which I think it's still a great deal for this phone. You are getting 5G, which is pretty much becoming standard now on all devices, budget and flagship phones. So that's a win. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL 30XE 5G now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.